Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your iPhone is online and unlocked so settings communicate with Apple services. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID banner. This central view controls sync. If you see iCloud, tap that. On older iOS or specific setups, go to Accounts and Passwords, then select the account to manage. Once done, you'll see toggles and sync options. We'll pick the exact items to sync and confirm the devices next. You now choose what actually syncs. Flip Mail, Contacts, Calendars, Notes, Photos, and other switches to on or off. For email, tap the account and set Fetch versus Push so new messages arrive as you expect. Push delivers instantly, while Fetch pulls on a schedule. Make sure iCloud Drive is enabled if you want app documents kept up to date, and inspect each app's individual sync toggle so nothing important is left out. To finalize, force a manual refresh by toggling an item off then on or opening the app and pulling to refresh. This prompts immediate sync. If things still lag, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or restart the iPhone to refresh connections. Make sure you have enough iCloud or device storage and that iOS is up to date, because low storage or outdated software often blocks sync. That single check fixes most stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.